Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already read from the title, today's video is going to be on how to make yourself a homemade face mask. Now, since it is highly suggested that we do wear a face mask when we are outside of our homes in a public setting, it is our responsibility that we keep ourselves safe and protective when we are outside. Now, to get started, the first thing you're going to need is, of course, a cloth square that can be washed after each use. Now, just lay the cloth square out flat, fold it in half. Once you fold it in half, then just fold it again. Take one of the hair ties or rubber bands and wrap around the cloth, pulling it through the center of the hair tie or rubber band. Make sure that they are 6 inches apart from each other, and now fold the outer edges of the cloth, laying on the top of each other. Pick up the bands from either side and wrap it around the bands around the ears. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Stay safe.